$55,000. Think about that for a second. That is not just some loose change you find under the sofa cushions. That is a full month of rent. That is a round-trip ticket to Tokyo. Yet millions of people are lining up to hand that over for a vacuum cleaner. It sounds like a punchline to a joke, right? But this isn't just a vacuum. It is a piece of high-tech machinery with a green laser built right into the floor head. This laser beams across your hardwood floors to reveal dust you literally cannot see with your eyes. It is satisfying and terrifying at the same time. You think your house is clean, then you flip that switch and realize you have been living in a dust bowl. Then there is the sensor inside that counts every single microscopic particle as it gets sucked up. It shows you the data in real time on a little digital screen on the handle. It feels like you are conducting a physics experiment while wearing your pajamas. This machine creates massive suction power. In fact, it tests better than even the newer, more expensive versions from the same manufacturer. It filters out nearly every tiny bit of allergens and pet dander. It is high-grade stuff. On paper, it is the king of the mountain. But then you look under the hood and things start to get messy. There is a massive community of engineers and repair forums documenting a major flaw. The motor uses tiny electronic components that are pushed right to their absolute limit. After several months of heavy use, they start to wear down. We are talking about a tiny 10% drop in efficiency that causes the whole machine to just die. No warning lights. No error codes. It just stops working. You are paying premium prices for a gadget that might require a soldering iron and a prayer after 18 months. To make it worse, you have to hold down a trigger the entire time you are cleaning. It sounds like a small detail until you are 10 minutes into a deep clean and your hand starts to cramp up. Even the manufacturer realized this was a mistake because they changed it on the newer models to a simple on and off button. It feels like they are charging you a premium to be a beta tester for their design errors. If you find it on a massive sale, maybe the suction power is worth the risk. But for most people, there are other brands that give you most of the results for half the price without the hand cramps or the looming threat of a dead motor. This is the reality of modern tech. It is beautiful, it is powerful, and it is sometimes built to fail right when the warranty runs out. We are living in an era where we buy status symbols that double as floor cleaners. If you want the absolute best performance and money is no object, this is your machine. Just be ready to deal with the quirks that come with it. It is a beast of a machine, but it has some very human flaws hiding behind that fancy laser. You are buying into a dream of a dust-free home, but you are also buying a very expensive ticking clock. Every time you pull that trigger, you are hoping those tiny internal parts hold together. It is a high-stakes game for something that just picks up dirt. Keep your eyes open and your expectations realistic. Marketing will tell you it is perfect. The data tells a different story. Stay curious out there, and do not let a shiny laser distract you from the engineering under the plastic.